Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's quick beat guide I will show you how to add vocals to your song using Mureka AI, and it will be a step-by-step video. Whether you are a beginner or a bedroom producer, this tool makes it super easy to create realistic AI vocals for your music in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be head over to Mureka AI and create a free account if you already haven't already. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard where you can manage your project. You just need to click over here to the manage. So here, let's create an account here before you start that one. So I'll click to the home, and then here you just need to be melodic. You just need to provide thing and then click on this one. So I'll click on try for free now, and then I'll go with the Google and I'll select my address, and then I'll just click on continue, and it will done. So now you can see generated, and this is the vocal, and let's say and you can see it already been done. So now you just need to be click on new project and give it a name. This will be song you will add vocals to, like let's say create music, and from that place you just need to add this one like into lyrics here. And next you will need your instrument. You can either upload your own beat or create one directly inside Mureka built into. It has loops, drums and MIDI tools if you need to build from scratch. Once your instrument is ready, make sure it's saved in your project timeline. Then now for the fun part, adding vocals. Click the add vocals or AI singer options. Here you can choose from different AI voice, male, female or even stylist voice like pop, hip hop and R&B. Type or paste your lyrics into the text box, adjust the pitch, style and emotion setting to the match your vibe. You just need to be hit the generate. Mureka will process the vocal line and add it right to your track. And you just need to be edit and mix. Once your vocal is added, you can fine tune it. Use the built-in editor to move presses, just timing or add effect like reverb or EQ or auto-tune. You just need to play back your song and tweak until the vocals blend nicely with your instrumental. When you are happy, you just need to hit the save, and finally you just need to click to the export to download your finished track with vocals. You can export as mp3, wave or even separate streams for more advanced mixing later. And that's it, you just added AI vocals to your songs with Mureka AI in 2025. If this was helpful, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.